Looking for pro-level imaging on a smart budget? Meet the refurbished Life AMF4300 fluorescence microscope from Galileo Scientific. With a magnification range from 4x to 100x and high-quality, infinity-corrected lenses, you'll capture crystal-clear images at every scale. Built for performance, the AMF4300 features multi-wavelength LED illumination, so you can easily switch between spectral channels, and an integrated filter cube system for precise fluorescence selection. The Motorized XY stage lets you position samples with pinpoint precision, while coarse and fine focus adjustments give you total control. Need documentation? A high-resolution digital camera port is built in for seamless image capture and sharing. Ergonomically designed and equipped with high numerical aperture optics, this microscope ensures sharp resolution while staying comfortable through long lab sessions. Best of all, every unit is carefully reviewed, reconditioned, and serviced by our Galileo scientific specialists, so you get reliable, like-new performance without breaking your budget. Powerful, precise, refurbished by experts. The Life AMF4300 from Galileo Scientific, where smart labs shop smarter.